Hey YouTube, PokeChess here with another unboxing, and this may be our last unboxing for a long time, as I will be busy pursuing some of my personal goals. And yeah, it's been a good run. Thank you for your support. I really enjoyed this part of my life, the YouTube experience. I don't know if I'll be back. Yeah, if I do, then yay, I'll see you guys again, but for now this is definitely one of my last videos. I'll give away this code, a last code from PokeChess. Alright, this is the Zygarde complete form box. Comes with the promo. Zygarde. Looks good. Also looks scratched up. Oh wow. That is terrible condition. Look at that. I don't know if you can see it, but it is what it is. There's our Zygarde pin. And we have a breakthrough and 2 Sun and Moon packs. I'm going to start with breakthrough first. Yeah. My last video. I really did enjoy the experience here. Great community. Oh, there you go. Have that code. 1, 2, 3, 2. Again, thanks for all the support. I appreciated meeting most of you. It was good. It was good. Reverse Holo Flower and the Noivern regular rare. 2 packs, so no, Primarina first. I heard they fixed these. There you go. Good for you. I heard they fixed the booster boxes for the Sun and Moon. Alright, Shouter, Makuhita, Furo, Grubbin, Drowsy, Fairy Energy, Howl, Dartrix, Pokeball, Reverse Holo Hypno, and the regular rare Decidueye. Last pack of what may be a very long time. Again, don't know when I'll be back. I don't know if I'll be back. But there's the code. 34, and then 2. Alright, last set of cards, guys. Here we have a Snubble, Carvanha, Zubat, Poplio, Togedemaru, Steel Energy, Rotom Dex, Nestball, Dartrix, Reverse Holo Incineroar, and the regular rare Hariyama. Well, pretty quiet box. Bit of a shame to go out like this. Anywho, thanks for your support, guys. I do hope I'll be back, but I can't promise anything. Yeah, all the best to all my subscribers and followers. It is what it is, guys. See you around, maybe. If not, this is my final buy as PokeChess, and this is me one more time. PokeChess out. See ya.